Here's just a quick rundown of the burner assembly. Just goes in my little forge. So just going to demonstrate how having the coupling on the one end really affects the quality of the flame, along with all the adjustments that can be made using this 5 psi to 30 psi high pressure regulator, the choke, and if I have the hands for it, I might even adjust these set screws to adjust the angle of the flame, or the angle at which the gas is being pushed out, to show how that affects the quality of the flame on the other end. So just turn the gas on, open it up, make sure it's all connected. I've checked all this, so there's no leaking gas. Everything that needs it has just Teflon tape on the connections, so basically everything has Teflon tape except for the connection going into the tank itself, which is soft nose, so it has an O-ring. So yeah, we'll just turn on the gas, and you can maybe hear it coming out of there. Turn it off. Loosen that up. I have to set the camera down for a second. Sorry. So I just adjusted this so it's more open. I probably don't have the hands to adjust these set screws, but you can see our pipe nipple goes in there, and the burner will come out, or the fire will come out there. So let's give it a shot. One hand in the camera, so you can hear it just coming out ever so slightly. It might not even light, because it really doesn't like to light without this coupler on there. Yeah, it lights a little bit. Makes a better flame when you can adjust the oxygen. Mostly puts itself out. But now, if we try it with the reducer coupler on there, this is a 3/4 inch by 8 inch black pipe nipple, and this is a 3/4 inch to, what is it, 3/4 inch to 1 to 1, I think. Not too much, but it makes a huge difference. Let's turn on that gas again. Just a little bit. It's gonna make kind of a whoosh. There it goes. And then, there you go. Now it's very oxidizing. You can hear the roar, which means it's oxidizing. Take it all the way open. Get it very low too. When it's like that, that's not a good flame. But if we adjust the choke, here I'll just loosen it and this will fall. You'll see how quickly that affects the flame. So now that's very reducing. That's a little better, but it's still a little, now that's mostly oxidizing. There's something kind of in the middle, but I don't like how poofy it is, like sputtery. So we'll turn it up a little. Some people like that. I try not to get it so hot. I like something like that, so I might keep it like that. But, yeah. comes right off. Set screws are just drilled and tapped in there. Those are, gosh, what are they? Not even remembering what those are tapped at. I think it's 4-40, I think. 40 threads per inch. Yeah, anyway. This ended up being way longer than I wanted it to be, but there you go. That's my burner.